In this tutorial, we're going to discuss setting up a local Drupal and Node.js application. The agenda for this tutorial will be to go over the prerequisites for a local environment, setting up a local Drupal instance, setting up a local Node.js instance, deploying the application to the Acquia Cloud, and environment variables. The prerequisites for this project will be Git, Composer, Vagrant, VirtualBox, PHP 7.1 for the command line, Node.js, Ember for the command line, and Acquia CD pipelines. To get started, we'll go ahead into a terminal. At the terminal, we'll go ahead and pull down a repository that has a decoupled Drupal instance ready for us. After cloning the tutorial, we're going to go ahead and change into that directory. Once we're in the directory, we'll go ahead and use Composer to install the project. Create the alias for BLT. Now we're going to set up the local VirtualBox with Drupal VM using the BLT command. This is going to ask if you want to boot the Drupal VM. You're going to type yes for this option. And then it will take quite some time for it to actually compile everything and get the local VM running. The password prompt is your password for your local machine. Now that the Drupal VM has completed building and is booted, we can go ahead and build and install the Drupal installation. We're going to type BLT setup. Now that the Drupal installation is complete, we can go ahead and log into the site. First, we're going to change into the doc root. You receive a prompt to include the fingerprint. This will give you a login link. Once you're logged into the site, you can go to the content, and you can see that all the initial content for cats and dogs has been populated, so that way we can use this with our Node.js application. Now that the Drupal application is complete, we can go ahead and start setting up the Node.js application locally on this environment. We'll go back to our main folder, and then we can download and install the application. After cloning the repository, we can go into the directory. We're going to go ahead and install the required Node modules. The installation of Node has completed. We can go ahead and start the process. Once you're at this screen, we can go into a browser. And we'll go to our local host, port 8080. This is going to pull up our content from the Drupal environment. As you can see, we have our dogs and our cats. You can go into each one and see all the details about each one, or go back to the home. That completes getting the Node.js application installed locally.